Thank you. A Duval County judge is furious over a rape and murder case taking more than 4 years to get to trial. This is the 7th trial date in Jonathan Keelis' death penalty case and the 3rd judge. Keelis is accused of killing his pregnant niece, Ayanna Sawyer, in 2018. Her body has never been found. Today, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed a new law allowing convicts to receive the death penalty with at least 8 jurors in favor. Currently, 12 jurors must unanimously agree to recommend the death penalty. News 4 Jax reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live from the Duval County Courthouse. And Marilyn, could this change to the death penalty have an impact on Keelis' case?
We're going to have to wait and see for Keelis' case and many others. Judge Anthony Salem is fed up with all the delays. He mentioned how the change in the death penalty could extend this process even more.
For 4 years, Jonathan Keelis has been sitting in the Duval County Jail. He's accused of raping, impregnating, and killing his niece, Ayanna Sawyer. Wednesday in court, he wouldn't sit still, fidgeting as a judge digs into attorneys on both sides.
No case, I don't care what a person is charged with, no case should last 4.5 years.
Attorneys explained how of the 90 witnesses for depositions, they haven't gotten to 21 of them. They include OBGYNs, minors, former law enforcement, and a jailhouse snitch. Just a week and a half away from the May 1st trial date, defense attorneys say they don't think they can get to those witnesses by then.
COVID has gone and evaporated 20 times since then. What would you guys do if you were me? We've elected a new president since he's been in custody.
These type of cases are not like other cases.
I'll stop you there. That is true, no doubt about it. But I reject the premise that cases, regardless of the penalty at stake, that's how long they last. That's a long time to be in custody, pleading your innocence. It's a long time for a victim's family to go through the criminal justice system.
Part of the prosecutor's case is to present a jail informant who wore a wire, amend the indictment to add another count of sexual assault, and introduce evidence of old social posts and messages from Sawyer. The state told the judge both sides are trying to make sure it's done right. The judge mentioned there are other pressing matters that have to be addressed as well.
But we also know that it should not be a pushed matter, given what's things that are left.
How can something be pushed if it takes 4 years to get there?
Because, Judge, in a perfect world, this would be our only case.
But again, that's a priority that your offices and you guys do as lawyers. When you're talking about a case sitting around for 4 years, currently the law is 12-0 for death penalty. If it gets continued, I don't know what the governor's going to do. It may be 8-4. And that brings up a whole nother issues, I'm sure, challenges the defense will make. But currently it's 12-0. Big difference.
And the law you just heard the judge talking about went into effect today because Governor DeSantis signed it today. It only requires an 8-4 majority in favor of execution. And now Florida has the lowest jury vote requirement in the nation. Judge Salem set a pretrial hearing for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Reporting live, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.